Today, we'll be taking a look at the door gasket on this Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. To begin, let's go ahead and open up the door in question. Then, we should have clear access to our seal. If you have to remove anything from the shelves, go ahead and do so. Now, the main reason why you'd be accessing your seal to remove it would be if it has some type of rips. A lot of times what I see is these top flappers here, or the bottom flappers, they stick out a little bit further. They'll be ripped and causing it to not create a seal up on the top portion here. Or maybe the magnets are slipping out. For whatever reason, if your seal is damaged, it'll need to be replaced. Now, in order to do so, we are going to pull it from the refrigerator, and I want you to start in one corner, and then gently just start to move your way down. At each corner, be very, very careful. Our plastic popped out at the top, so I'm going to put that back in. If that happens, do not get discouraged. Just pop it back in. Pulling down at the last side here. Just pull it off and set the seal to the side. When installing a new seal, we will make sure that the large flapper portion is toward the outside of the door. And then let's start at the top. Just press the top in. That in there nice. I do recommend going down to the bottom, doing the bottom next, so that we can make sure the sides are going to fit even. You're just pressing it into that plastic mold that's on the door. Get it installed. If you need to stretch it, do a little stretching. And this would complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.